Keeping track of your billing details ensure better financial management and transparency. Let's go through the three key sections: invoice details, order cost value, and COD details. For invoice details, go to the billing from the main menu on your dashboard. Click on Invoices from the drop-down menu. In the Invoices section, you will see all your orders. Locate the order whose invoice you need and navigate the Action section. Next, click on the download icon. Once the download is complete, you'll receive a notification. For order cost value details, navigate to Orders from the main menu and click on View Orders. Go to the Booked section to see all existing orders. Select the order whose order cost value you want to check. A sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. Click on Services and below you will find the order cost value along with detailed breakdown. For COD details, go to Billing in the main menu, then select COD. Here you can view all your COD orders along with the amount collected and pending settlements. To download details for a specific order, go to the Action section on the right side of the screen and click Download. And that's it. Now you can easily access invoices, check order cost values, and manage COD settlements all in one place.